James Carpio presents Sci Talk, a show of science stuff. Alright guys, let's read our I can't statement for today. TikTokers will learn the steps of the scientific method. So guys, today we're going to talk about the scientific method, and we're going to use those steps to do some stuff, and then we're going to look at an example tomorrow, because this is only a part of it, not like 3 slides, only 1 slide, because the other one isn't it. The rest of the video is the example, so we're going to do the example on the podcast. So here you go, y'all. Only 1 slide. Alright, so what is the scientific method? The scientific method is the procedure scientists use to help explain why things happen the way they do. When people are trying to understand the world around them, they often come across problems that they just don't know the answers to. This is where the logical step-by-step method of the scientific problem solving comes into play. I'm gonna show you something, y'all, to demonstrate more about scientific method. So I don't know if you heard this, but like if you're like in 4th or 5th grade, you might have heard this like 2 variables called the independent variable and the dependent variable. The independent variable is the variable that change. The dependent variable is the effect by the change. We got an example here. So the independent variable is the amount of water, the amount of fertilizer. Little, and this is little. Much, a lot of water. Same thing goes right there. Now the dependent variable is the effect or the result. Let's just say this plant is short. If you put little water, you get short plant. If you put a lot of water, you get a long plant. Same thing goes with the fertilizer. If you put a lot, you get a long one. Little, you get short. Alright guys, so the podcast will be on Saturday, which means it's tomorrow, so come back for the podcast tomorrow, and I'll see you guys on the podcast.